Hi there, welcome back to the roof repair special. This is Elvis from rooftuneup.ca, and as you can see here, we've got a raccoon that has tried to gain access into the house, and he's ripped it up pretty good. He had some wood over it, but it was still leaking there. So what I was going to do here in real time for you guys is I was going to just really quickly go over this with you guys and how to fix this if you've got similar problems, okay? So we're going to start a little high up here, removing the nails. YouTube has allowed me to download slightly longer videos, so I'll be able to, I should be able to do this start to finish here with you guys. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Mississauga today. You'll have to make a few cuts as you go. Anything that's broken or that has hole on it or has caulking, anything that looks like there used to be something there, it means you've got to go a little wider, so be it. In the end, it's all about the end result. You don't want to be taking value off your home here for one tab. Okay, I mean, it is that simple. Now you can see that this here's got caulking on it. Okay, so we're going to remove that one too. We want it to look brand new. The key is just to prep. You guys can see once you get it all prepped up, it starts to look a little familiar. Unlike some guys, we just don't come up here and smear caulking all over it. I met with a customer this morning. He paid $3.25 for Mr. Caulking Gun to come out and do a repair for him, and then he's trying to nickel and dime me because he got robbed last year. Like you know, what do? You want it fixed, right? You gotta call the right guy. I'm not paying for his mistakes. I mean, if you want to get it done right, people, you know, spend the extra few bucks and have a real professional come up here and do things the way it used to be done. Good. Anything with a screw hole in it, anywhere where the shingle is, the integrity of the shingle's been hit, look here, okay, there, you gotta get rid of that. Okay, and you can see we gotta definitely get rid of that row. I mean, again, it's just one more shingle, right, so take the time. Do it right. starts to look pretty familiar. Okay. So I'm going to one-time this for you guys. Now you'll have to use your knife just to cut a little bit out around this pipe here, but goes pretty straightforward, I think. If you've done these before, if you haven't, it might be a little tricky to take your time. Watch the vid a few times. If you've got any questions, let me know. See if I can help you out. Here is just line that up right there. That's where the top of it is. Visualize that inch, about 1.5 inches right there. And you can just line it up over here like so. And mark it. Just like yo. Let's see how this works out for the first cut. Is the turn right here. But if you try a couple and just try to feel it out. There's nothing wrong with trying it once or twice. I might not even get it right the first time right here. Okay. You see, and if you are just a tad off, just put it in place and give yourself a little cut. Okay. Just like so. For some of you guys at home that cuts this wide, I'm going to teach you guys a little trick. Cut yourself a 6-inch here. Look, you can stuff it right up underneath there, and look how nice and tight it is now. Okay? And that's what I'd recommend that you boys do at home, kids. Okay, again, just eyeball your line where it's going to be. It's going to be about there. Okay. So you can visualize it's about 1 inch from the tar line. And then move it into place again. Right there, like so. Mark your line. Mark your line. See if we can do it again. So up and around, start to make your curve. Up and around, start to make your curve. A little tricky there. See how it fits? Just like it, alright. nothing wrong with breaking them, as long as you fix them. If you gotta make a little adjustment, just make it so. Looks like we gotta take a little off the top. And you guys can see right there, I think you guys get the point, how it comes together quite nicely. Just double check that you've nailed. See, we missed a nail over here. I don't want to do that. Professional installation. That costs about $225. I've given this gentleman a break actually because he has two, as well as he was kind enough to get one of his neighbors to group up with him. Save a few dollars where you can, for sure. I can actually see where it hasn't even been nailed, so if you lift enough shingles and you see that it needs a nail, don't be afraid to put it in there. What's up with that? These guys are 3 nailing with a gun. Imagine that, 3 nailing with a gun. Never seen this before. Just do a little double check. You can see what needs to be hammered. What I recommend that you guys always do, not enough of you guys, not even enough of you contractors do it. Any shingle that you have broke the seal on, any shingle that was original, put some caulking underneath of it, because you don't want to be back here to do a repair, on a repair. Takes a few extra minutes. And it is worth it. Okay? Right there. Right there. Okay? I mean, geez, while you've got it out, put the bead around here. Put at least 5 nails on the bottom of your pipe flanges and your vents. I'm going to show you why right now. Okay. The key to caulking these nails down as well is keeps them from coming up, because it keeps it attached to the plastic. Okay. Now if you sit right where you are, if you look right here, okay, it's not going to take much before the wind gets underneath there and takes that vent off, and they're all like that. So I mean, it takes just a minute or so. Put that in there like so. And there you have it. Okay, you can see how professional this is. You can see how nice and tight it all is. And you guys got a really good idea now on how to do it yourself at home. Okay. So once again, we'd like to thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Roof Repair Special.